Look at this one. Customer states my rotor is rusty and the car is not stopping properly. Just had a quick look. Can anybody tell me what's wrong with this picture? I'm gonna tell you what's wrong with this picture. This slot right here, that's where the brake pad sensor go. These pads are upside down. I'm not making this up. Look, the brake pads are overlapping the rotor. Let's hope the pads are right. Let's take it apart and see where we're at. I can't make this shit up, people. I am not that creative. This is why you cannot take your car. Look at this. Unbelievable. It's gonna need a set of brake pads. All right, we'll get it corrected. You cannot take your car. These pads, quite simply, go just like that. Just like that. All right, thanks for watching.